Why every CA student must learn Zoho Books? Reason number one, almost every firm is shifting from Tele to Zoho because the software is GST ready and it is cloud based. That means you can access from anywhere. So if you are aware of this tool that is Zoho Books, you will stand apart from other people. Second, job market differentiator. If you have Zoho certified professional or associate in your resume, then you are among the rarest of the people or the accountants present in the interview room. Third, you will be able to earn before becoming CA. You can offer freelancing or consulting service, that is Zoho implementation or training, once you get certified. That means you will be able to learn before becoming chartered accountant. Reason number four, you are future proofing your career. So Zoho Books is currently present in most of the firms, but it will also make your accounting career to skyrocket in the future. So always advisable to start learning Zoho Books right away. Reason number five, it provides real-time client work. In Zoho, you will be able to handle proper invoicing, GST filing, compliance ready, bank reconciliation, everything on the real-time basis. That means it shows you how virtual CFO and outsource accounting actually works. Okay, so if you want to learn more about Zoho and get certified, comment Zoho in the comment box and I will share you further details.